Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages, let's get ready to warm up. Here we go. Make sure you're in a nice, comfortable position, nice, comfortable stance. And let's begin. Arms up. Reach and grab. Reach and grab. Reach and grab. And down. Touch your toes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And up again. Reach and grab. Reach and grab. Reach and grab. Reach and grab. And down. Touch your toes again. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Last time. Arms up. And wave them like you just don't care. Hey, oh, and down. Reach. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we're going to stretch our arms out. Take your right arm, reach across your chest, and count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Left arm, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And swings and sways and sways and swings. Swings and sways. That's what we sing. Now we're going to do big circles forward. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Little circles forward. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Big circles backwards. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Little circles backwards. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're now going to stretch our legs. Feet together, straight down, touch your toes. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Up. Spread your legs ever so lightly. Take your left hand. Reach down to your right foot. Go. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Take your right hand. Touch your left foot. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Both hands reaching through to the other side. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, ladies and gentlemen, please sit down on your booties. From here, we are going to take our right knee and bend it, and we're going to do what's called a figure four. So my right leg's bent. I'm going to reach and touch my left foot with both hands. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, switch. Left figure four. Left leg in, reaching to touch your right foot. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next, we have butterflies. You're going to put your feet together. Grab your ankles, pull your heels in, and push down with your elbows on your knees. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Start flapping. All right. Everyone on your belly. We're going to stretch our abdominals. On 3, we're going to look up and straighten our arms and try to look behind us. Look to the sky. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and down. Now we have to bust out our 10 push-ups. Try your best. If you need to modify them and use your knees, please do so. Throughout the year, we will work on our push-up position. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now we have our 10 sit-ups. Okay, again, you need to modify them into a crunch, you can. Please do not pull behind your neck. Have your arms across your chest. Ready? And go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right, that's our warm-up stretch. Now we're going to move into our standing speed flex. So normally in class, we would use the length of the gym to do our speed flex. But since you're at home, we're going to do it standing in place, okay? So our first thing we're going to do is called high knees. We're going to do our high knees standing in place. So first, we're going to start with a little step, and we're going to transition into our high knees. Counting down from 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, good job. Next, we have our butt kickers. We're going to try to kick our own booties with our heels. I'll stand to the side so you can see what I'm doing. Ready? And go. Start slowly and kick. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Excellent job. Now, we're going to do a standing lunge, okay? So as we stand here, I'm going to step forward with my right foot and push back. Then I'm going to alternate to my left. Ready, and go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Excellent job. From here, we're going to do our frog jumps, okay? We're going to squat down like we're a frog. We're going to explode up to the sky. You ready? We're going to do 5 of these. Ready? And go. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. I'm feeling pretty warmed up right now. So our last thing we're going to do, we're going to do a jog in place and then a sprint in place. For the jog in place, you're just going to stand nice and still and get a nice brisk pace going. Ready and go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And now our sprint. Ready, go. 10, 9, 8, 7, faster. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Ladies and gentlemen, I am warmed up, ready to go. I hope you are too. Can't wait to see you in class. Bye.